The Realme 15 Pro is a newly launched mid-range smartphone that focuses on a balanced user experience with a strong emphasis on display, battery life, and AI-powered camera features. Here is a detailed look at its pros, cons, special features, and an overall conclusion. For pros, exceptional display. The 6.8-inch AMOLED display is a major highlight with a super smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, a class-leading peak brightness of 6,500 nits, and a curved design. The high-frequency PWM dimming is a great addition for users sensitive to screen flicker. Massive battery and fast charging. The 7,000 mAh battery is one of the largest in a smartphone of this form factor, offering excellent endurance. The 80W charging ensures you can quickly top it up. Strong camera hardware. The dual 50MP camera setup on the rear and a high-resolution 50MP front camera, with all sensors capable of 4K at 60 FPS video recording, is a significant advantage for content creators. Solid performance. The Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chipset provides reliable and efficient performance for everyday use in gaming, with a large VC cooling system to prevent overheating. Durable design. The phone is notably slim and lightweight despite the large battery and boasts IP68/IP69 and MIL/STD 810H ratings for enhanced durability. For cons, lack of telephoto lens. While the camera system is impressive, the absence of a dedicated telephoto or periscope lens means zoom capabilities are limited and a step down from some competitors or its predecessor, the Realme 14 Pro Plus. No expandable storage. The phone does not have a micro SD card slot, so users must choose their storage variant wisely. Potential for gimmicky AI features. While the AI tools are a major selling point, some may find them more of a marketing tool than a genuinely useful feature, and some voice-based editing functions may be hit or miss. Subpar portrait photography. While excelling in low light, some reviews suggest that portrait photography can be underwhelming, with a lack of detail and poor subject-background separation compared to rivals. Special features. AI Edit Genie. A voice-activated AI photo editing tool that allows users to perform tasks like changing backgrounds or removing elements with voice commands. AI Party Mode. A camera feature designed for low-light environments that adds creative effects and enhances portraits in party settings. Pulse Light. A customizable, color-changing light around the camera module on the back for notifications. Titan Battery. A 7,000 mAh battery that manages to be one of the slimmest in its class, thanks to a new graphite-based single-cell technology. All-lens 4K at 60 FPS video. A rare feature at this price point, allowing users to record high-quality 4K video at 60 frames per second from all three cameras: main, ultra-wide, and selfie. Overall conclusion. The Realme 15 Pro is a compelling mid-range smartphone that offers an excellent package for its price. It excels in key areas that matter to modern users, such as a stunning and super bright 144 Hz curved AMOLED display, a massive 7,000 mAh battery with fast charging, and a versatile camera system with the unique ability to shoot 4K at 60 FPS from all cameras. The inclusion of new AI features and a durable, yet slim design further sets it apart. However, it's not without its drawbacks. The lack of a telephoto lens might be a deal-breaker for those who prioritize optical zoom. The performance, while reliable, may not be class-leading in raw benchmarks compared to some competitors. Ultimately, the Realme 15 Pro is an ideal choice for users who prioritize a brilliant display, long battery life, and a strong all-around camera experience for photography and content creation, especially with its AI-powered features. It offers a well-balanced and feature-rich experience that makes it a strong contender in the competitive mid-range market.